welcome to MarineMax at Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calcutt, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 231 Hybrid by NauticStar. This boat here is a center console with all the fishing capabilities built on a dual console hull. So you have all the added space of a dual console, as well as the added features to be able to go fishing in the bay, offshore on those nice days, the rivers, creeks, anywhere you'd like to go. Let's go up top and I'll show you what we got going on. Here on the deck, you'll notice that we have plenty of bow seating here, much like a bow rider. You can actually lift this cushion up here and this turns into a table for entertaining. There's a nice fishing platform here. And the nice thing about NauticStar is it actually does come with the ability to hook up a trolling motor if you'd like. One feature I really like that NauticStar does is the flip out backrest so that you can be comfortable whether or not you're laying down or actually sitting up facing forward. You notice here we have a forward facing helm seat with a live well underneath. Here at the helm we got a really nice landing post with flip up bolsters so that you can be comfortable in any position. It also comes with a T-top as well as 4 rocket launcher rod holders so that when you're out there fishing in the bay or offshore on those nice days, you have somewhere to hold your fishing poles. You notice this comes with a stainless steel steering wheel as well as stainless steel switches over here to the right. It also comes with factory trim tabs, so if you need to adjust the way that your boat's sitting in the water, you're able to do so. We have a Simrad Go 7 so that you can be out there fishing and see what's on the bottom, as well as an infinity stereo system with 4 JBL speakers, so when you're out there playing your tunes, everybody can hear and have a good time. As we move to the back of the boat here, you'll notice that we have 3 flip-up jump seats. The middle one actually doubles as an additional live well. This comes outfitted with a Yamaha 200, so it's got plenty of get up and go. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, call me, Jay Calcutt, at 850-225-9797.